I'm Kathiravan Ravivarman and I have been associated with HCLTech for the past 6+ years. I'm also proud to say that my elder brother is a part of HCLTech in Madurai. And one of the main things about HCLTech was that it opened up in my hometown, Madurai, and it gave me an opportunity to come back to my hometown. When I first stepped into the HCLTech campus, I was really surprised by the different architectural elements and how it resembled the different historical landmarks in the city. And it just felt like I never stepped away from home. I worked on different medical products, including new product development from scratch. And when I go to hospitals and see how these products are impacting a lot of people's lives, it just gives me immense pleasure and happiness that I have been associated with working on such cutting-edge technologies in HCLTech. Apart from work, so I'm very passionate about running and cycling specifically, and people can see me running around the HCLTech campus roads early in the morning. It's a stress buster for me to help me prepare for the day in advance. And then during the evenings and breaks, people can also find me near the table tennis board, playing with a lot of team members, and that allows me to engage positively with them and create a connection. I am also a part of Pedal Pushers Madurai, wherein we organize cycle rides in and around the Madurai city, and we have enabled a lot of employees to commute to office by cycle, which is positive for the environment as well. And that is what has really helped me find my spark at HCLTech.